as I said, no, I'm just ready for the fight.
Okay.
As I said, BJP will get all the 30 seats this time.
No, but don't you think this time you have a difficult task, 30, 30 or 60 in your camp, Mandela Bhajan?
It's better, no? So at least I've got a place to actually people to choose now.
Okay.
So
But
and I don't think, see, earlier what it used to be, we used to, for the past 3 terms, we always won the CCP election. And the fight was only between BJP and us. So now we are together. So only just thinking all the 36, and I'm confident all the 36 will get.
but anything like that Babush would like to see as far as performance and all of councillors when giving them a ticket.
We will be having many new faces this time.
New faces.
Many.
Out of 30, how many could be?
80%.
Traffic is happening here. The traffic
The state is more important. The letting of the will be starting today. Today I had a meeting with the commissioner and all. As far as just within a week's time, there will be a normal flow of traffic as far as convenience.
There is one more news is that Samasukang Babusha panel and ticket they form a like-minded panel and contest against you all.
See, I like competition. I always like fight. So until unless some challenges, I will gear up for the fight. As I told you, 100. It is. I am just saying, it is 100% that 30 out of 36 BJP is going to. Okay. Then you ask me after that.